Operation Crush COVID-19 is one of our programs with Good Bourbon for a Good Cause, where we're trying to raise money to help the hospitality industry and help Team Rubicon.
We're able to use gifts. Our bourbon is gifts. Good bourbon can change the world, and one of the ways we're doing it is, if you get $100 to OperationCrushCovid19.org, then we are going to give you a free tour of Garrison Brothers Distillery when we reopen. And we're also going to give you some free merchandise for our gift shop. You can choose your own cap, your own t-shirt, whatever you want. If you do $500, you get a bottle of Honeydew and a bottle of Boot Flask. If you donate $1,000, you get a bottle of our Laguna Madre, which is an 8-year-old bourbon whiskey aged 4 years in a white American oak cask and aged another 4 years in a limousine oak cask. You get a bottle of Honeydew, and then you also get a bottle of our Boot Flask bourbon, which is our small batch bourbon in a smaller size.
Our goal for this program is to raise at least $2 million.
Our website, www.operationcrushcovid19.org, and make a contribution there with your credit card. Or you can easily mail a check to Good Bourbon for a Good Cause at 517 West 39th Street, Austin, Texas, 78751.
We are over $500,000 right now, and we are just getting warmed up.